Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Abdur Rahman, MSc Honor Animal Nutrition. Today my topic is effects of Moringa oleifera on animals' health, poultry and ruminants. Introduction. In recent years, different phytogenic feed additives, for example aromatic plants or their respective essential oils, have been investigated for poultry and ruminants. Moringa is known as one of the most useful multipurpose plants. One of the most important characteristics of moringa is that it has high biological and nutritional values and can be used as animal feed. Moringa is a highly valuable and multi-purpose tree locally called sohanjana. Varieties of Moringa oleifera. 13 moringa species are following that improves poultry and ruminants and humans growth and body weight. Moringa as green fodder. Moringa tree has the capacity to produce high quantities of fresh biomass per unit area even at high planting densities, and given dry matter yield from 4.2 to 8.3 ton per hectare with a cutting frequency of 40 days interval, and even can be harvested after 15 days. Almost every part of the plant is nutritious, especially protein, calcium, iron and vitamin C, essential for livestock. Dairy animals like cows, buffaloes and sheep, if supplemented with green leaves and stems of moringa, produced 43 to 65% more milk. Cattle fed on moringa leaves also show rapid gain in weight. Nutritional profile of Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera is a fast growing tree, is grown throughout the tropics for multipurpose use for human food, livestock, forage, medicine values, dye, water purification. Moringa oleifera is rich nutritious fodder crop which have excellent source of protein green 16% and dry 27%. Vitamins vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Minerals calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, phosphorus, potassium. Essential and non-essential amino acids, antioxidants and phytogenic compounds for lactative profile. Mineral compositions of Moringa oleifera. Elements and mean composition. Calcium 1.91 plus minus 0.08, magnesium 0.38 plus minus 0.01, potassium 0.97 plus minus 0.01, sodium parts per million 192.95 plus minus 4.48, iron parts per million 107.48 plus minus 8.81, zinc parts per million 60.06 plus minus 0.30, phosphorus parts per million 30.15 plus minus 0.47, manganese parts per million 81.65 plus minus 2.31, copper parts per million 6.10 plus minus 0.20. Moringa oleifera in large animals. It increases milk production with all nutrients through required by cows. It increases milk production and health in buffalo. It also removes toxins from body. Its strong immune system to prevent from infections. It prevents from all disease. Dairy animals like cows, buffaloes and sheep, it supplemented with green leaves and stems of moringa produced 43 to 65% more milk. Cattle fed on moringa leaves also show rapid gain in weight so that animal could be saved from risk of business losses. Importance of moringa fodder for dairy business. Moringa leaves contain a good amount of beta carotene, protein, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium and iron. Since moringa leaves are rich in protein, so can be used as a supplemental fodder for milk animals. Rather, its leaves contain much higher protein than conventional protein supplements like coconut meal, cottonseed cake, groundnuts cake, sesame cake, sunflower cake. Moringa antioxidant. Mycotoxins are a severe problem in animals, poultry and cattle feed industry. Moringa leaves possess antioxidant and antimicrobial properties against several fungus species such as E. coli, Salmonella, Aspergillus, Penicillium fusarium. Moringa nutrition to boost milk production. Macronutrients like potassium, calcium and magnesium play key roles in balancing the physiological, metabolic and biochemical process of livestock. Cattle suffer from low blood magnesium during lactation, which causes low milk yield due to deficiency of magnesium. Moringa leaves contain high amount of macronutrients. Magnesium and potassium can be effectively used to fulfill the dietary and nutritional requirements of livestock animals. Effect of moringa fodder on growth and milk yield. Moringa fresh leaves can be included into the dietary refuges component for ruminants. It has shown positive effects on feeding behavior of goat, increased growth rate in sheep and increased milk yield in dual purpose cows. Moringa diet had the highest efficiency of protein utilization, nutrient digestibility, nitrogen utilization. It improves the milk yield of ruminants as it has a good rumen bypass protein. Availability of moringa fodder. The availability of moringa fodder in all the months of years is always a big task for fairly farmers. Mostly fodder are grown for 3, 5 or 6 months, and the period of fodder interchange serve the profitability of dairy farm due to decline in milk production and cattle health. We need to focus to grow such fodders which can available all months of the year instead of short periods fodders. Moringa is essential for broilers and layers. Inclusions of moringa leaves at higher levels in broiler diet resulted in a higher growth rate and better health status in broilers. increase body weight, increase growth rate, performance of better health, improve liver weight, body weight gain, decrease dressing percentage, FCR better, improve carcass quality, increase egg production. Nutrient composition of Moringa oleifera. Nutrient analyze mean composition. Crude protein 17.01 plus minus 0.10. Crude fiber 7.09 plus minus 0.11. Crude fat 2.11 plus minus 0.11. Ash content 7.93 plus minus 0.12. Moisture 3.21 plus minus 0.110. Nitrogen 2.83 plus minus 0.16. Carbohydrates 3.11 plus minus 0.09. Fatty acid 1.69 plus minus 0.09. Dry matter 96.79 plus minus 0.10. Energy value 1440.11 plus minus 0.30. Moringa is essential for pets. The excellent conditions of pets' overall health, coat, skin and teeth. Excellent conditions increase lactation, improve immunity, anti-parasite, health, digestion, antioxidants, healthy circulation. Moringa oleifera for rabbits. Moringa leaves meal could be used to improve daily weight, dry matter and crude protein digestibility of rabbits. The high levels of nutrients intake and digestibility confirm the high nutritive value of mulberry and their potential as a forage that can support rabbits' productions, producing similar economic benefits as soybean meal diet. It is non-toxic to rabbits at least at the 20% diet inclusion level. It has the potential to reduce cholesterol level in blood and the meat of rabbits. It increases the carcass due to reduced fat deposition in the muscles of rabbits. It used to replace soybean meal or completely in rabbits' diet as non-conventional protein source. Moringa nutritional value. Tiny leaves beneficial for humans. 7 times the vitamin C of orange, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 4 times the calcium of millet, 3 times the potassium of bananas, 2 times the protein of yogurt is equal to Moringa oleifera trees. Moringa is essential for humans. 100% Moringa powder used to boost your immune system, support the metabolism and the cell structure of the body, strength and cardiovascular system, detoxify the body of toxins, promote proper digestion and the normal function of the liver and the kidney. It supports normal blood sugars level in the body, promote a better sleep and given a feeling of general well-being.